Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. I would like to share with you my daily routine. I'm a student and homemaker. I wake up at 5 o'clock. I get up at 5:10. Then I make my bed. I go to the washroom and brush my teeth. I wash my face and make wuju. Next I pray Fajr Salat. After Fajr, I recite the Holy Quran for a while. Then I go to kitchen to cook breakfast for my family. I have a cup of tea and have my breakfast. I feed my pet birds and fishes. Then I rested for a while. I clean my house and mop the floor. After that, I take shower. I get dressed and leave home. I go to the bus station on rickshaw and wait for the bus. In the university, I take classes attentively. Next, I return my home and freshen up myself. I make wuju. I pray Johor Salat at 2 o'clock. I have my lunch. Then I take a nap. I pray Asr Salat. I feed my pet birds and spend some time with them. Then I cook dinner. After Maghrib, I do my homework. I pray Isha Salat at 9 o'clock. I have my dinner with my family. I clean my dishes. Then I attend my online class. After my online class, I read a book. I go to bed at 12 o'clock. Good night, everybody. Thanks for watching this video.